Hi, welcome back to Knight's Home Farms. We're starting the trim on the amazing chicken coop. Last night we worked a little bit later than we probably should have, but we just wanted to see what it looked like with trim on this front corner and around this window. And it's looking amazing. So we're already set up, ready to go. What we are trimming with is the same 1x6 in cedar that we've been using. We're trimming them in half. So, you know, roughly 1x3. They're like 5/16 of an inch by 5 3/4, but we're trimming them in half, so the trim is approximately 3 inches. And then we're overlapping them like this so that you get the greater reveal on the longer side of the building and the smaller reveal on the shorter side of the building. Just going real simple around the windows for right now. We do have kind of a special project that we're going to work on there later. A few different things that we're going to create that are slightly different than normal, but that you'll have to stay tuned for.
The work can begin. I have arrived.
You have arrived. So I'm going to put you on super speed.
Super speed!
We'll get some of the trim up.
Trim speed!
Trim speed.
Welcome back to Knight's Home Farms. Help me!
I want to show you something. We've been working on the chicken coop now for, 17 years.
Yeah.
I think. And we got the roof and the siding and the walls and the windows and the door cutouts and all the trim and the hole for the nesting box. And today we worked all day long and we've already cleaned up because we felt like we did a good job. We got the partition wall done. How cool is that? So now that wall divides this building into two pieces so we can have baby chicks on this side and laying hens on that side. And there's a door in the middle. The stupid latch broke, so I can't show you how it latches. We have to get a new one. But there's a door in the middle that will let juvenile chicks through, but shouldn't let full-grown hens in. So once they get to the juvenile stage, we can open the door, and then they will have a safe retreat to come back over on this side and kind of introduce themselves to the rest of the flock. So that's what that column in the center is all about. We have some 1x6s over here to kind of create an area. So from, I don't know, 3-4 feet up, we'll have all of the solar workings. Over here we figured it would be better to have it on the small chicken side than the big chicken side all the time. So, you know, most of the time there won't be anything in here. And then we put another, yeah, it's kind of like it's like the zoo. We put another few boards there to make that solid. That's an awful angle. To make it solid here too, just between the two doors.
Yep.
And we're gonna put a removable,
Very solid.
Divider, probably here from these studs over to that little wall, so that the brooder really is only that size, kind of like, I don't know, maybe like 6x4 instead of the 10x4. There's plenty space, and then we would have a space to step into right here and not worry about somebody coming out the door when we go in. But then the coop is still
Huge.
what do we figure? 12x10.
12x10, yeah.
Yeah, it's a good bedroom size.
Yeah.
The kid's bedroom.
Yep.
So from the coop side, that's what the wall looks like. Just a solid panel. And then you want to go open the little door?
Opening of the door.
Opening the little door. So from the coop side, this is what it looks like. And then the little door gets opened and latched. And then there's a little pass through. Yeah.
And look, it goes back down.
And it goes back down. Imagine that. So yeah, we worked on it pretty much all day. Kind of knew what we wanted. It kind of evolved as the day went on, but I'm really pleased with it.
Yeah, it's very cool.
And then I think the automatic chicken door will be here or here, maybe the second day, probably the first one.
Yeah.
Because then that'll give us more room for roosting bars here. So.
What do roosters drink? What do they talk about when they're at the bar? That's the question.
They don't belly up to the bar, they breast up to the bar.
Breast up to the bar, sit there,
You're
have a round
silly.
of something, and talk about their day.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, sounds interesting.
So this is all just half-inch hardware cloth. We have an affinity for hardware cloth. I like it because it looks nice and uniform. It's not all wiggly like chicken wire.
Didn't do too bad with getting it pretty nice and taut.
No, it looks good. I like it.
Yeah. It's always a pain in the butt to deal with this stuff, but
It turned out nicely. I
Yeah.
like it.
Yeah.
I like it.
Yep, definitely. So it looks great so far. Now tomorrow will be doors and
Doors
egg
and
box.
nesting box.
Yeah.
And then after that, solar.
Yes.
And we have this hole up here that we didn't put hardware cloth on yet. And I'm just going to wait and see if anybody tries to get up there and over. I don't think that they will, but they might. And if they do, then we'll put hardware cloth on it.
We're training the cats to be ninja, not the chickens.
Yeah.
We won't have any ninja chickens.
Ninja chickens. How do you know?
We won't. Gotta train them first.
Anyway, so for the first time in like ever, we're stopping before dark. You're so strange sometimes. I can still see you.
Yep.
So we're gonna go get a taco.
Yeah, multiple tacos.
Yeah, probably multiple. They're little.
Yeah. Real tacos.
This is awesome.
Yep.
Very pleased with it.
Yep.
Looks great.
Mm-hmm. Definitely. Yeah, very pleased. This will be awesome. And then once we finish this, then it's on to the next woodworking projects. Yeah, should be fun. And I'm sure we'll come up with weird and strange ways of doing those too. Bye.
Welcome back to Knight's Home Farms.